Sunrise over the harbor of Los Angeles. The historic lighthouse at Point Fermin. Point Fermin is a park just a few miles south of where we live, the southern tip of Los Angeles. Early on a cloudy morning, one could witness some of the native life. Squirrels, and some rather docile and rather well-fed raccoons. Many willingly feed the needy. Some are fed better here than others. Even the stray cats are looked after here. Cat biscuits can make even the most shy raccoon walk like he's just had an enema. Notice how all but one cat reacts to the raccoon's intimidating walk. Constipation or aggression? Perhaps aggressive constipation wins the day and scares all but one of the feline scavengers.